Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that's close to my heart, long-distance relationships. If you're in long-distance relationships or thinking about embarking on one, stick around because I've got some personal insights, tips, and experiences to share that will help you make your long-distance relationship not only work but truly thrive. 1. My long-distance story. To kick things off, I want to share a bit about my own long-distance journey. A few years ago, I found myself in a long-distance relationship unexpectedly. The miles between us felt daunting, but through open communication and a strong commitment, we managed to overcome the challenges that came our way. Communication quickly emerged as our lifeline. We made it a point to bridge the gap with technology, sharing our day-to-day experiences, dreams, and even the mundane details that keep a relationship alive. Video calls became our coffee dates, where we could look into each other's eyes, share laughter, and wipe away the virtual tears. Text messages turned into heartfelt letters, and emojis held meanings only we understood. Trust became our cornerstone. We realized that being apart meant giving each other space to thrive individually. And with that realization came the power to silence the insecurities that often creep into any relationship. Trust wasn't just about loyalty, it was about having faith in each other's intentions and believing in our shared journey. Visits were our cherished treasures. The moments when time zones and geography ceased to matter, and we could savor each other's presence. Planning those visits became more than just calendar entries, they were anchors of hope that held us steady during challenging times. Challenges did arise, as they do in any relationship. Loneliness would sometimes cast a shadow, and misunderstandings could magnify through the screen. Yet, we learned that vulnerability wasn't a weakness but a strength. Sharing our fears and doubts didn't distance us, it made us stronger, reminding us that we were a team facing life's hurdles together. Personal growth became our unexpected gift. While the distance could have isolated us, it instead pushed us to develop as individuals. Pursuing our passions, setting professional goals, and nurturing our friendships enriched us personally and, in turn, enriched our relationship. We celebrated each other's achievements as if they were our own and found joy in sharing our growth. In conclusion, my long-distance journey wasn't one I chose, but it's one I am grateful for. It showed me the power of communication, the depth of trust, the magic of shared moments, and the resilience of commitment. To all of you out there navigating the waters of long-distance love, know that the journey is worth it. With open hearts and dedicated souls, you can not only make it work but thrive in the face of the distance. And we are still together. 2. Building strong communication. One of the cornerstones of any successful long-distance relationship is communication. From my experience, I've learned that setting aside time for regular video calls, sharing our daily experiences, and even sending surprise texts throughout the day really helped us bridge the gap. 3. Trust and vulnerability. Trust isn't just built on faith, it's nurtured by vulnerability. Sharing our insecurities and being open about our feelings helped foster a deep sense of trust between us. We were each other's confidants, no matter the distance. 4. Making memories across the miles. Contrary to what some might think, you can create beautiful memories even when you're miles apart. We would watch our favorite TV shows simultaneously and have virtual movie nights. We even cooked the same meal over video calls. These shared experiences made our connection stronger. 5. Planning visits and goals. Face-to-face time is like a breath of fresh air in a long-distance relationship. Planning visits and having a clear timeline for when we would see each other again gave us something to look forward to. It kept the relationship exciting and helped us stay focused on our end goal. 6. Dealing with the tough moments. It's not all rainbows and sunshine. There were moments of loneliness, misunderstandings, and even jealousy. But we tackled these challenges head-on by addressing our feelings openly. Remember, it's okay to have tough days, it's how you overcome them that counts. 7. Personal growth and independence. One thing that truly surprised me was how my long-distance relationship encouraged personal growth. I had time to pursue my passions, focus on my career, and strengthen my friendships. This not only enriched my own life but also made me a better partner. 8. The road ahead. As the days turned into months and the months into years, our relationship grew stronger. We knew that the distance was temporary, and we worked towards a shared future. Closing the gap and building a life together was our ultimate goal. So there you have it, my personal journey of making a long-distance relationship not only survive but thrive. It's not always easy, but with communication, trust, shared experiences, and a clear plan for the future, you can conquer the challenges that come your way. If you're currently in long-distance relationships, know that you're not alone. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, remember that love knows no distance.